Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing today? And how has been your day? My day has been busy. It's been a marking day. Been marking my student exam scripts. Okay, this tutorial is for school owners, preschoolers, and teachers. Yeah, teachers to be precise. I've come to discover that we mix phonics and diction up, and in the actual sense, they are not the same. Phonics is different from diction, though they are somehow related, but there is a very wide gap between phonics and diction. Now, what is phonics? Phonics is a method of teaching reading and writing by developing learners' phonemic awareness. In a simple term, phonics is a method of teaching children how to read, introducing sounds to them, blending of sounds together, how to join two sounds, how to join a consonant to a vowel to produce a word, how to join two consonants to one vowel, how to join two vowels to one consonant. It's all about blending of words, joining of words. And phonics is introduced, it is used at the preschool level. It is for babies between the ages of 2 to 5 years. They are the ones using and learning phonics. Under phonics, we have Jolly Phonics. Jolly Phonics has 7 stages. The first stage is the Satpin, Satpin. That is the first stage. We have other stages, and all the stages are all about blending, creating words, making words. In all the 7 stages, we have 42 sounds. That is that about phonics. Now, talking about diction, diction is quite different from phonics. Diction is all about articulation of words. At the beginning I said they some are related. The relationship, the similarity between phonics and diction is they both have to do with sounds, but diction is more of pronunciation, enunciation, articulation of words, while phonics is all about blending of words. Now, phonics does not take how the word is pronounced, it doesn't take articulation serious because it's only focused on a child being able to blend sounds together and pronounce them, while diction focuses on the right pronunciation of the words, the right stress. It focuses on intonation. Diction is all about correct articulation. Okay, if you check some of my videos, you would see me correcting some often mispronounced words. That is done under diction, not phonics. Don't forget, we're talking about the difference between phonics and diction. They are not the same. Phonics it focuses on decoding words by blending sounds together It moves from basic letter sounds to complex diagraph. I said we have 7 stages. At the beginning, we have just basic sound, which is the starter. As the children progress in their classroom, they move to a more complex sound, which is the diagraph. But diction does not have to do with that. I remember I said all the sound put together in phonics are 44, 42 rather, but diction contains 44 sounds. Now, these sounds are divided into vowels and consonant. We have 20 vowels and we have 24 consonants. The 20 vowels are further divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. We have 12 monophthongs and we have 8 diphthongs. Monophthongs are single vowel sounds. Though we have 2 of them, we have monophthongs are also called pure vowels. We have the long vowel sound and we have the short vowel sound. The long monophthongs are 5, while the short monophthongs are 7. How do you identify a long monophthong? It has a colon, a dot in front of the letter, a sound. And mind you, what you have in slashes. Now, these sounds, they are phonemic symbols, they are phonetic symbols. They have to be written in slashes. Yeah, they are actually not letters, they are symbols. Yeah, some of them look like the letters you're already familiar with, but they are actually not letters, they are symbols. But phonics is pure letter but called the sound names. I hope I am making sense. The simple similarity between diction and phonics is they both have to do with sounds, but there is a wide difference between them. Phonics is about blending. It is used at the preschool level. Yes, it's used for children between the ages of 2 and 5. Though at times it is introduced to children the ranges between 6, 7. If they have difficulty in reading, I advise you, if your children, you have a child, a 6, 7, 8 years old child that is having difficulty in reading, just introduce Jolly Phoenix or you get a Jolly Phoenix teacher. That can help. But diction does not teach you how to read. Diction teaches you how to articulate your words properly, how to pronounce your word, how to apply the right stress. It teaches you the right intonation, when to rise in your tone and when to fall in your tone. Diction is taught at the primary level, though it's just the basic part of it. It's taught at the secondary level, even at the university. In high institutions, you still learn diction on the English. We have English language as a course, and you're going to be learning phonetics, yeah, linguistics and all that. You're going to be learning, and you don't do that with phonics. So this I want us to stop calling diction phonics. I am a diction teacher. Yes, I am a phonics teacher because I teach phonics. When I was teaching the preschoolers, I taught phonics. Right now, I'm not a phonics teacher. What I am teaching you is diction. I am teaching you phonetics. That's another word for diction, phonetics. I'm teaching you how to pronounce your word correctly. I tell you it's not pleo, it's not pleasure, it's pleasure. Pleasure. Words that end with S-U-R-E is pleasure, measure, treasure, vision, not measure or mayo. It's not a pleasure to meet you, ma'am. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.